case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In a significant court decision, the United States Court of Appeals for the Fifth Circuit ruled in 1983 in the case of United States v. Bear Marine Services that even in the presence of the Federal Water Pollution Control Act, FWPCA, the government can potentially hold a negligent third party responsible for the cost of cleaning up an oil spill. The case sparked from an incident in which Bear Marine Services and International Matex Tank Terminals, IMTT, were held accountable for an oil spill in the Mississippi River. The federal government accused IMTT of negligence due to their maintenance of an alleged unauthorized obstruction to navigation, ultimately leading to the damaging spill. IMTT tried to dismiss the case, arguing that the Federal Water Pollution Control Act, FWPCA, exclusively covered the process of the government recovering cleanup costs. The lower court, however, denied this motion. It upheld that the FWPCA does not strictly prevent the government from levying a maritime tort action against any party, even those non-sole cause and non-discharging third parties. Notably, the court refrained from weighing in on additional theories of liability and hypothetical questions, insisting that these matters be addressed at trial. The court subsequently vacated the order allowing an appeal and returned the case to the district court for further hearings. This significant court episode highlighted the court's stance on the broader implications of environmental protection laws in dealing with negligence and liability for environmental damage.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.